I gotta show you guys a desktop that came into the door to be worked on. It's called an HP P2. HP P2 1317CB. I haven't looked that up yet, but I've never seen anything like this. Maybe I gotta get out more, I don't know. Okay, here's the back panel of this tower, okay? Let me show you the front of it. Looks like just a normal HP tower, right? Now there's a sticker on here. It says E2 Vision. It's got the AMD processor in it, okay? It's got a floppy, or I mean it's got a optical drive in there. Why is that dirty? And all the USB connectors on the front. So I took it over the bench and I started plugging everything in, and I got to the power cable and I don't see anywhere to put the power cable. And I thought, what the heck is going on? This actually came in for an Ethernet problem, but so it's like there's no power cable connection, you know, for a regular household mains. So I pulled the cover off this and look at this computer. What is it? There's your hard drive and your CD-ROM. There's a mini board inside here. It says APX D1-DM. And all that's right there is a cooling fan. Right over here is an input for DC, and it says right on it, DC input. But it doesn't tell me, you know, how much voltage or positive center or whatever. It doesn't tell me any of that. But this is really, really weird. I've never seen one like this. And I haven't looked it up yet. I'm going to. And find out what's going on. It's almost like this isn't factory, like someone did this, and that was my first impression, that someone built this, or you know, it came from China and somebody got cheated. I don't know. It's really weird. Maybe I just got to get out more. Maybe this stuff has been around a while, but computers come into my shop every day, and I see a lot of computers, and this is the first one I've ever seen it looks like this, so I just had to grab my camera and document it. Maybe this is the future. I don't know though. I mean, you don't have no expansion ports on here. She brought it in for an Ethernet problem, but obviously I can't put a card in because there's nowhere to put a card. I could give her a USB dongle Ethernet, but first I got to get a hold of the power supply. I'm looking down here on the board, and it says ATX power on the connector down here. So yeah, I just had to show you guys. This is the weirdest thing ever. So I'm going to film the front of this and definitely look this one up. Find out what's up with that. Okay, that's all for now. Just as a side note, guys, I've got a very interesting box coming up for this next episode of What's in Steve's Junk Drawer. That's where I take a random box out of my shop that I've been collecting over the years and show you what's inside it. And we go through some of the old technology, some of the new technology, and just some of the junk in general. So look for that coming soon. Good stuff. Alright, well here I just found that weird HP. Here it is. It's on the Sam's Club site. And it's a HP P2 1317CB desktop computer. It has an AMD 1800 6 gig of memory, 1 terabyte hard drive, and a 20-inch monitor. And they were selling it for $488. So it's funny that I finally found my first one of these. Maybe I'm just not keeping up on technology enough. But like I said, I'm a computer repair shop, and I see many machines every day, and this is the first one I've seen. Is this a rash of what's to come? If it is, wow. No more PCI slots, no more slots of any kind, no more upgrading your, this is the disposable computer, and wouldn't you know, I got it in my shop. From the outside, it looks like a regular desktop that you would expect to have all the bells and whistles in, but when you open it up, it's merely just a laptop motherboard inside a full-size case is what it is. So I am going to call the customer and get her to bring the power cord by so I can see what this thing does. I haven't looked up the power yet. I'm guessing it probably takes like a 19 to 21 volt DC high amperage power supply, similar to a laptop. But you know, you just don't want to throw any power supply on there. You could blow it up or whatever. I'm just looking through here and seeing if I can see where it says anything about the power supply. I'm sure if I dug deep enough I could find out what it is, but I think at this point it would be best just to go ahead and call my customer and let her know that I have not experienced anything that even looks like this before, and have her bring that cord by. And you know, we sell USB wireless cards here in the shop, so she can purchase one of those and see if that's gonna fix her problem. So welcome to the new age of building desktops. Usually HP kind of goes out on a limb and makes weird things anyway. We'll see if everybody else falls suit. Okay guys, well, take care. I just wanted to show you this weird one. Hope you got some use out of it. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.